it all started the Emilia Quindishi. Now they hear me so, now my outside of the story I want to talk. Oh, when I tell them for Padova say, Obatobia na fake prophet, they not here. So tell Padova women, the one God that beats me. See all of una now. Una don't carry una hide, go hide. Una shame, you don't rap una. Show una the sooner self. When I tell una, Obatobia, I dream siya. Obatobia no be real prophet una not here. Me, I go start from the beginning to the end. Who came to listen me, listen. I no go lie. I no go hide. I no go subtract. Now the truth I want talk. Because people don't do their own. They don't talk their own side of the story. Now it's not my turn. Okay, now let's go there. 2015, when I get my first daughter, Belle, that my precious queen. That is a priceless joy. My priceless diamond. This stupid man called Choose. I know they go in church. Oh, now my husband, now he play go there. Say me play go there. Oh, now I still good for people when they waka from church to church. Say me play go there, reach there. But that Batobia push on for a hell. You not agree come up for church again. You get church when they go Christ Embassy. My husband not agree come up for Batobia. On a very good day, I did McDonald's with my friends, like summer period, just the flex. So my husband y'all call me, hello, where you there? I say I did McDonald's. He said, yo, run, come na. Then I was still pregnant with my first child. He said, come na. Prophecy for you. So he said he get prophecy for me. I said I know they go. My friend say go now, at least person will call you. Now I know what he want to tell you. Now I say no, I know they go. Me and that man, our spirit not they agree. So I went there. When I reached church, oh, this man want professor. He see me and my husband stand. He say, who is the father of this your unborn baby? Now I said the father is here. He said no, that he seen another man around me. The man is carrying dread, something that we used to call dread. Now I said, I don't understand. He said no, my husband is not the father of my unborn baby. Like, you know, people was what did this man they talk, because it sounds somehow. Person when get belle, the man they tell us not be the man. Sir, this is my husband. This is the father of my unborn child. So he keeps on saying it like now. I tell us, I don't understand. I say okay, he want change the topic because I want fall in hand. He can't change the topic. He say he's not talking about physical man. He's not talking about spiritual husband. I say I don't get spiritual husband. So I left there that very day. So before I left, he said, tell your pastor, because he said I fall in hand. He said, tell your pastor, say, since you get pastor, tell your pastor, say, may you pray for you for 7 days. May you not use operation. But I reject that statement instantly. So good. My husband keep on going to the church. Because I don't used to go to the church. They always have a Tuesday program. My husband called me. He said, I follow and go Tuesday program. I say, I know they go. This man, they always stand for my dream. See the way they see this man. For my dream, I don't like, and I get belle. Person when I go see for dream, he go boss come out for one big house. My service with God. He body from here go be python. Then he face. Only face now go show. The rest of the body will be python. So I can't dey fear. I can't tell my husband, this man not be real man of God. May you stop this church in all year. So Obatobia choose fake prophet. I can't tell people, they go say this man a fake man of God, fake prophet. This choose can't get to hear through in members. Then choose can't no fear for in life. He can't send message to me. I was guys, and when I got this poster yesterday, I was so happy because the time when I give choose, it already reach. Now my prayer may in show point already. This is opportunity for me to expose him the more. So he could send people message to me. If I not stop to the spoil name, he head go run mad for this Padova. He head go to the extent choose come prophesy for my husband. Say na me they draw my husband blessing. Say na me make my husband business for Nigeria, not they go fine. The whole Padova carry my story. They talk, they go. They say I be on gbanje, I be this, and na so spirit they come out from my body, they visit my daughter. Now so that, now so this. I can't they cry every day. They cry to the extent choose one give my husband a woman for in church. Everything I go there as I go there hear am. Choose he go send usher make her tell me say make me stop to the spoil in it because I know who he be. He go send my husband. He go send different people. On a very good day, I can't call choose for phone say sir. You don't bring problem between me and my husband for us. Now don't pack leave my husband for us now because of what you talk. Now you want to give my husband woman for church. Why big like this, sir? He said he no talk like that to my husband. He no tell my husband say na me they draw his destiny. He no tell my husband say na me make a business not go find for house. He no tell my husband this. Then he want hand the call. He say if make me not tell my husband. Make me come see him for church. That my husband might be lying to me. That I should come and see him. He would tell me things about my husband. I laugh. And I say, you see this man. But if I tell my husband, I don't go believe. The mistake I made that very day was for me not to record that conversation. I reach out, I tell my husband, I not still believe. So I went to my mommy. I reported everything to my mom. My mommy say, my daughter, now man they drive you for your husband's house, then you they carry bag you want wrong. You get sense? Why can't you go to church? Go to St. Anthony and pray with this man's name. Pray. Say if really say I will never forget that day. If not be that woman. Ha. I really went, yes, no, Mama Erobam. Okay. I went to St. Anthony. I prayed and I prayed with his name. That if really choose Abatobia, you are a real man of God. Let the will of God really manifest in our lives. But if you are a fake man of God, I give you 2 years, you will be exposed in Padova. Maybe since 2017, your nyash begin to open. People begin the same so-called people when they the one who invest me pass. Choose your matter not to invest me because now you come. The mumu followers will follow you. The mumu followers will follow you. They give themselves to you. Now you see them use. Like me now. Why I not come open my eye, they follow you. You see me use. Choose. Okay now. I got somebody. I tell that person, say, see oh, so girl like this, choose the friend down. That same person, I'm saying it life and direct, so that person will not say that thing till today, they my mind, invest me. They're not they do like that. Now waiting I see and now waiting I hear and I talk. I don't feel like against anybody. So I tell this person, say, choose the friend, so member or the guy name I love it. Could you believe say they carry the matter go meet choose for church? Choose begin they send her chance. May they come tell me say if me not stop to the spoil name, say go do something to me, my enemy go die. Then the so-called love not fear carry for coming one come beat me. I go meet them for church. I call them love not pick up. You understand? So that's how the matter come there. So I call the dream see choose go there not be this one not be even well why I'll take on whether I fight I be I don't know. You go they attack me for dream. Every time the other son there's a time when you go Nigeria. There's a time when choose go Nigeria. That was 2016. As he come back from Nigeria, they can't do anointing service. I will not forget that day because that was the last day I stepped my feet to that church. They can't do anointing service. And no, it's not anointing service. Only communion service. So as they share the rubbish when they say that they share for the church, they come. They want to reach my line. Now I saw we call my sister, my auntie with the Napoli. I call her sister Gary bedroom. She followed me to bathroom. So before we come back, because when they share that bread, when they say that they share, and they see liver, that they give people liver, that they share and that they use ox, they top on, that they share and that they collect liver, that they eat on. So I see the thing physically. I say, sister, no, get back, babe. We went to Bayon, go bedroom. So before we come back from bedroom, as I come back from bedroom, where should sit down for altar, near altar, because he wear white shirt with a green, that rubbish, green rope when they put for neck. Now so shoes use eye look me from head to toe, like this girl and witch. Choose which one you chop. Now person give you. So you supposed to know say people then when see chop better which pass you. This is the opportunity when I dey fight. The prayer when I pray, if you see what they do me for part of fasting, see. If you see what they do me for Padova City, now God go punish all of you now when it cost me because of choose. If you be my friend, you don't put this your useless man insult me. Say, Juliet, Mama Princess, you too the gossip choose, you too the spoil choose. Now that choose said, now I go kill you. Yes, I purposely want, because you don't say when beside they find the opportunity to insult them. If you be my friend, you open your mouth, you say me, they spoil choose, because say choose now prophet, give una son to chop, Una see they follow me, they turn now go kill una. Now choose said now go kill una. Since una say na no go rest or choose matter, choose now go kill una. Until una don't see what you choose go do now before now go run come out for choose church. Other frustrated women where they part over on Sunday they go dress or they do. See, Juliet, I dey campus San Martino. If no know my address, any task, no task when they part over, we don't know where I dey. Now I'll go okay all those frustrated women. When I find know me for part over and I say me, I be crazy. When I know me, I don't the verse now. I don't the verse. When I find know me say I be crazy. All those useless women, why you come down for Padova? If I don't walk up past there, especially that Madonna, they'll say, hey, nothing where they not talk follow me because of choose. Because I choose, don't choke that is small okra. Okra, wait, if you be like this, bone. You don't shook up for na toto. Now God will punish you now. Choose. My husband money when you chop, you go bring her. Me? Yeah. Choose. My husband money when you eat. If my husband catch you. Can you imagine, can a prophet tell me member say, then they open umbrella for inside church. They not even they open umbrella for inside house. Not to talk of church. The mumu members, they buy umbrella, they cover their blessing. He tell them they back padlock their blessing. Choose. Now God now go point. All the innocent children. Head when you go carry, they do dedication for your church. Dedication what they do for other churches, they will dedicate the child to God, but you dedicate those children to the so-called Ogboni kingdom where you belong to. All those innocent children head now go worry you. Anything from this moment henceforth, as far as say me, the daughter of Orue, don't talk for this issue. Choose, you got to get problem. Until you go beg the people you offend. Until you go use your mouth talk what you do to many people. Marriages, you destroy them. Relationship, you destroy them. So dating now. Get where person carry come from Nigeria. You not carry a come for you. You go give a pele. Now start telling me this issue. There is another latest. There is a boy when they say choose house. This boy.
Mama, please.
Could you believe what?
Your mom, you want to beat my dad, you want to beat my uncle.
It's okay, sorry. Why do you want to beat his daddy and your uncle? I will break your head now. This boy, they say choose house, so choose can't go they toast his girlfriend. The girlfriend of that boy now, he can't record everything we choose talk. Now they can't say me they go bust choose. They can't play everything for choose. Choose can't they beg them. Say me they are beg. May they not let the issue go out. Because of that, that boy stayed for choose ad has a year plus he not pay us rent. May nyash not for leak. Choose. I send you all the videos. Why you block me for Facebook? You know send me and you would fight for spirit reign. Me and you would fight. Not be physical. You know me. You know what I do you last.
If now when I be re-angel, you touch my, they will touch my head for their church. That person when I go to church.
The one will pay me. He said na me. He said the one will pay me. He said na me. Na me destroy my husband business. What?
Mom, daddy, beat
We will beat your mommy. We will beat your mommy. Now it's okay, yeah. See coke, drink coke. You understand? Let me deal with choose. Choose about obie. Choose. You will use your 2 hands to dig your grave. You will use your see they see me for Padova now. They see me not they talk, but you go they send people message me they call they tell me. You go they send people message me they call they tell me. You they see me for Padova. You they see me for Padova. You know talk oh. Go they send people message me they call they tell me. Now Ogun, now I go kill you choose. The poor boy where you collecting girlfriend for in hand, Now go now as you collect that girl for you, now some person will collect your wife for you. The thing that you precious most in your life, they will collect her for your hand. You understand me? I don't even care to look if anybody comment nonsense, I will cause them. No, I just feel remove them because I talk my mind. Choose nearly destroy my marriage. I can't pack come off for us, leave man when me born for. Because of say, he tell and say, me now witch now Banje, now me, so many other people. Even my girlfriend were there Germany now. Now so choose tell her. Choose tell eh?
I say go up all the women now.
You see all those no any women when I see go that church, you know say choose see they fuck them. Secretary, did they when you know men sometimes men they know they hear what. You understand? My husband that time, they go this church. I talk. Quarter, no hear word. To the extent one do dedication. I tell her say, I don't want me dedicate my pikin for your church. I say I don't want to dedicate my pikin for in church. How about Tobia can't deceive my husband? We can't dedicate that pikin for them. The so-called secretary when they the church there. How about Tobia collect the woman for your husband's hand? Give the secretary Bele. You understand? Give the secretary Bele. To the extent, all of them went there the church. I know all of them. But the ones where they constantly, we get one way call come out now when they feel land. All of them come there against me. Oh, my friends now they tell you. They come there against me because of all Batobie. Friends, when me call my friends, when would they eat together for plates? Because of this so-called fake pastor. They come there against me. But today, uncle, I tell them, I said 2 years. Now I give up Batobia. The first lady when I see when they go Batobia church when be Osha. He jammed me for McDonald's. My sister, sorry, oh. All those time when we say they curse you, all the thing when you talk, now truth. Una never see truth. All Batobia go, you go lick una nyash. Una buy a jeep. Ide, nilo, igolo, yako. Oh, Batobia go lick una nyash. Wa my me, uwa Sorry. Sorry. Oh, Batobia they lick their nyash they come. They never see anything. Hello, Sam. I do. Around more come. If someone come tomorrow, mommy, this is born. I'll go Padova tomorrow. Then I try. As I was saying, Batobia. Hey, can I prophesy? That's all. Can I prophesy? I go say, if you don't deliver, I go say, take it. See this one. This one has small banje now. Small witch you chop now. Whereas now you even chop small witch. All the innocent children when you put one for their head, now I go worry you up. You think they pay me? Why you block me? Why you block me, stupid man? Ashawo. That's what your mate they do fake pastor. So they do it for years. They know see their nyash. They go see they make the money, but you don't use and rub your head. You never do the thing reach how many years now your nyash don't open. That is the difference between original and fake. All Batobia call part over all the churches where they part over all their members. All Batobia collect them. Christ Embassy, Holy Foundation, which one again? This church, CSC, all of them. All Batobia collect their member. I don't see all of them when even they go your church. I don't see one thing. What did they gain from your church? All of them. Frustration. The ones your opponent you pack and popo for their belly. Take it. Chop apple. If you chop apple, you get pregnant. Chop apple. How many? Not knowing say that you even they fuck them. To the extent you they do abortion for your members. Or go here choose. Choose. You gonna regret the day when you carry your issue come near me. I not do you anything. I not come meet you because I don't like you. I say I don't want to call your church. So the yes, I remember that day when you tell me, say, make me come on for Christ Embassy. Make me come they sing for your church. And I'm mad. Now church me they find out come choose. Say I don't see any other church for go minister. Now choose church. Where if don't that altar when they stand, you don't use curse. Say finish the altar. Oh, where they are planning for you. You will soon die very soon. I only pity that woman when you marry people for us. That woman said, I wish she even know. What thing why you person like you do? If she marry you, she dey Nigeria, you dey here, they fuck. Hey, Jesus Christ of now. The thing they scatter my brain. Oh, go here, go choosy. For you to destroy other people churches, for you to they call that pastors fake. Oh, go here, go here, many. Now go they kill you put. They hear me choose. From now henceforth, now your matter until they wake up for Facebook, till they sleep. This fake now that your avavon is go took him for his side, God punish you. Who even know whether you know the fucking ash? As you tell the waka. He go see you for cover. He go the form. Because say you know say me not they talk. You go see choose now. The next if you talk back, you know see whether they disappear. God fly for night. May God punish you. The stupid joy now I carry to open for prophet. You know not say that one get wife. You open to joy you come Europe. They frustrate men when they help you for life. You say now prophet choose now you want marry. They look as your life will take hand. Everybody do they curse you cause choose. Shebi you want born Jesus for her. We will see now this. I said son wrong come up for Padova. My friend will choose still to so go Germany. Two of my friends like that. That there's my asshole. Auto see here no go here and be choose wagbon. You know saying if you try me. You know saying if you try me. Now I go tell my husband say, when my husband leave me. He get one fair girl for church. You got to introduce her to my husband. It's evil. Go they introduce the yellow girl to my husband. Say now my husband will marry be future wife. When you don't know how come here, that man don't say start life. Or go here and go choose. That money when you chop for one hand, when you chop my husband, you go purge you. And they wait me choose me back home. I know they would they see themselves. Go make a check. I mean it's okay. Colleagues, boss, come. Not just provoke me for a year. I'm gonna kill you, join choose, eh? You dey mad? If I can't talk the issues is there. You don't know when I talk the issues is there. You know how many of them for this part of our city when they want fight me? Are you mad? Or are you deaf? You know they hear the story. You dey mad? That boy enter your ear. If you not comment where now, come may you not go sleep, you not go wake up. Oh. Are you mad? Come on, get out of my Facebook. May God punish you. You dey crazy. Are you mad? I call you here. I be your papa day here or your mama day here. I call you. I write you for a message. I make you come and live you. Or go kill you just like I say you not choose brother. Anybody when they support choose now go kill them. Before this month end, the person go die. Because this one they support evil. Anybody when they support evil go die. But this idiot, they mad.
You not hear the English this one effect of say I tell her say when she will talk the jack and for.
Me they see say some pastors for Europe. That they I not saying also they come, but sometimes they help. The way what do you want? The way they take collect money from members, and so they see they use and they help. But you so no, you go just the chop they go, they chop your papa head they go. You know how many people marriage relationship is poor. Eh? Ma see any year comment for you whether I come now for you now go tell me. No. Nimio no yeah, Nimio no do comment rubbish man. I'll go here and bomb money. Motherfucker people. All those stupid women where they part over. If they do program for that, I don't they best all of them. They do the program for that. They say they are daddy. The mumu go say, mommy wait and come. He go say they don't they see. They go they use and sing for children. They go they call in your battle. They go they do like go they mino. Make God punish choose. Punish all of them when they go to church. If you be choose member, you see they go to church. See me. If you don't know my face, I did Campos San Martino. Come with me. I ever come part of today. They use I find them. I don't see them. All of them don't go hide. If you still they go choose church, you still dead them. No. We don't even need that for our side. We don't need them. No, wait till I want to talk. If you be choose member and you know say choose they do this kind of thing, you not fit talk to choose. You say rope when tie choose, now go tell all of una head. Now una dey hear me.
Post. No sir.
Which kind of hear post?
No, that's
some don't spend 20 years for there. Now you come at 20 years, for example. Some they don't say for them, they don't achieve anything. This so-called miracle when they do. Me know many of them when they the church when never born. Why you not give them belly?
Okay.
Why your miracle not reach their body, make they get the belly? Idiot. Can you get one of my friends when I jump for Femata today? That one cause they talking you. He said, can you imagine? The so-called truth, come professor say, he cross line where my brother, no worry, I go inbox you later. I cross line. The so-called truth, he go tell the girl, the girl say na 12 na gather, cause say he know you. He go tell the girl, say the girl get something inside belly, say no go feel born for life. But the girl, fine baby daughter, mama and mother. Mama and mother, now we gather meet for Bosidi that time. Now true, I still know you that time. She told mama and mother, if I get picking for us. Say choose tell and say, you no go feel born for life. Choose where you go professor, yeah, prophecy say, my pikin, man not bad my pikin, and say na pikin go die for him hair. Say na my sister, oh, may I tell you, if you see how this thing they pay me for body, may I just tell you the truth. Why I can't do this live video? I will not do live video now because say they don't bring the issue on Facebook.
You don't know if they want to make you feel called the idiot.
Now because they bring the issue on. If you see what this man do me, when I tell people that I say, I can't tell people when I know when they go to church say, this man a fake prophet. See what they do. See the kind of when they do here. They go carry go tell the man call the same message. They use my name, they preach for church. Say, if me not stop to this point, they say he head go die. These are the some of them. Now still be my friend though. Anything when I talk, just to advise them, say this man, the way they dream say not good. They will just carry go, they tell the man for church. Now make this invest me up. You understand? Now make investment. I be waiting consign me. The least I can do now to share their fake prophecy on Facebook, but I never use them do live video. But today, the one where they part of I know too much. You know how many marriages it don't break. Husband go leave wife go leave husband because of prophet choose. My sister princess now part of her here they fuck people wife they go. If you see say enough you enter person when you want enter. If you toss the person on go say the person out banje.
Invite me for harvest don't finish.
Thank you, Brameyo, no problem.
For real life again, you slap.
I beg. You understand me?
Push my head. What happened for many years ago? We said they want bon church. Then you go do. For Nigeria, one person go push my head.
I don't the verse. I want check person more.
Okay, don't be this one.
I want check person more.
I said, no check my own.
No. Yes, so I'm seke. Mommy, drink. Don't worry. Yeah. Take. No, mommy, because you know why the thing touched me. That time, I said to the if I walk out for Padova, mommy still talking. And mommy say they can't even tell her say me they spoil pastor name. If they walk before I walk out here, they'll say, hey. So then one woman approached me for post 18. The woman say, if me not stop, the woman they go choose church. That I get my daughter belly when I know get the belly again. He said, if me not stop to sweat in prophet, they go beat me with belly. So the essence, Lovette can't call me for saying one beats me. Now I go to church. Now they call Lovette say, I beg them, no man can't beat me.
Who's the Lovette? Yeah, that one.
I hear my sister. I just want to talk my mind. If I talk and finish, I'll get out for Facebook. Because I know they are matter not two women. But as it can't be said, they don't expose the man now. The thing they sweet me for body.
If you talk,
yes, thank you very much. Oh.
The man not going to video again. After if you go be that.
I said because I can't send out the video.
Hey, Tara, the woman say go do on that one. I made me want to go before me go.
Oh, make the woman
for the Arahe too.
I just
see children. Three.
What are you?
The woman they cry.
Where the man for evil kill himself. That's how we go Nigeria come back. He called the talk for church that he say prophecy as a miracle just happened. I seen they drive a woman to hospital. A woman one born. A woman just delivered by herself or inside car. This is the same woman when they talk about for church that time. Now you go. What do you want? You go abandon her for 3 good years. As you abandon that woman with those innocent kids, now so God will abandon you for your entire life. You will never see good thing choose. Hell, my sister princess, don't worry. This kind of person, you know, as they do one. You pay me say they quick carry matter on Facebook because already people don't they plan the many part of our boys will collect their girlfriend for their hand. There many. One boy who call me today and I see just me about two that joy now when these choose they go marry. The boyfriend of that girl, his friend called me, explain everything will happen. That so-called Joy, man, we trainer for university for Nigeria. He tell the man say no, if he marry him because say the man womanize. Person when train Joy for university now they talk so he abandon her for Nigeria. Say no, they marry him because say the man they womanize. Another person can carry the Joy from Nigeria call now. Now I choose collect her for the Joy for the boy hand. They say na so heartbreak they give boys. I don't marry her. So heartbreak now they give boys. The so-called Joy now that people count how many boys don't fuck her for the church. Most of all the ushers men when they the church they don't fuck the Joy. Today I hear that one. They don't fuck the Joy. Choose not come stay with your lovely wife. Come say na again when we say boys stay do caricature for Padova. To when they smell sour curry toto. Now choose say one put for us. Choose I become Padova today. I not come see you. What's happen? What's happen? I not see any of him member today. Go they blow your ear. You go see you go throw away her. If you reach church on Tuesday, not be today. Not be today. They even do their. So they are not sure say their church go open today because nothing every Tuesday they do their fake program. What you want? Okay, let me ask one question. What you? Waiting you now as you call yourself a man of God, you dey swear for altar. Waiting you want to preach for your people. Then you are now advising your member, maybe they divorce, they go. If they get problem for man, could you believe this man one day tell me? He say if then when my husband they push me, they go to church. He after close he call me say if there's any problem between me and my husband, I should come and tell him. Maybe for tell me. As I for telling my husband, man, I can't tell you if we get problem, which you don't already start to destroy us before. But God not agree for you. God not agree for you. Choose. God not agree for you because God not say now the truth. Now I tell people that time say you be fake man. See all of them now. All the people when use my name gossip for Padova say I spoil choose name. Now Ogun go kill you now. Now never see anything. See on life now. And if anybody tell me say you know use if you know say you not use my name gossip say I spoil choose name, you are free. But if you use my name talk say I gossip choose and you be my friend, now Ogun go kill you. Now Ogun I go. I know many of them.
Even if you not be friend, go kill you.
So the essence my friend when she go jam me go born twins now. Me with that one quarrel because of choose. I can't tell that one say that you get belly you they go choose church. You want me to turn that picking for your belly? He said, why I talk like that? Because of that word when I tell that girl go tell another person, they can't go tell choose. So they choose will call the put informat for outside, me that they listen waiting me they talk. Choose an African chop, let me forget the spoil any. Now what you do now I talk. I not carry talk, I not talk bad thing about you. Now what you do? Now I talk. You they hear me choose. Now what you do now I talk. Oh go here boy choose. You never see anything.
Yes.
You never see anything.
Yes.
Part of our people will kill you today. But the ones when they Germany, when you don't fair, when be say you be one fair run enter their life, where God save them. All of them they will chop you wrong. Then they come for you now. Then they come for you. And the so-called people when be say that they cause.
We are the level with
and the useless people when they cause people when do like video when they expose truth. If you ever cause me again, una go sleep, una no go wake up. Una go sleep, una no go wake up. Una no worry. Mama I choose, I not choose all buwa. I may choose all buwa. Yes, oh princess, Church of Cess for the city of the next name will give. Padova City now. We'll give up Batobia Church now. Now be Church of Cess. Church of Cess. We'll be say all the prophet now. He they bulala all of them with that small prick. As they talk, oh, I not see how God forbid when I see that kind of person. That is small thing. As he get 2 left leg, now so a leg be. 2 left leg, now so a leg be. If they work now so a be. Choose. Udoria owo bene. Udoria owo bane chusi. Ogwo hi agbu e.
I said for advice, I want you to avoid it. I said,
Okay.
Me want to